Hello, today I will show you how to maintain your 4th gen Prius or CHR Hybrid's high voltage battery filter. So these are all the tools you need. It's really easy. I have here a screwdriver to take out the trim piece, an air duster, and finally this is a replacement drop-in high voltage intake filter. And that is it. So without further ado, let's get started. So your high voltage intake filter is normally situated at your passenger or driver's side under the rear seat. So for my case, it's here right behind the driver's seat. So what you have to do is to take out this trim piece first that contains the filter. So you can see the screw here. You take a screwdriver and just carefully unscrew this. Be careful because this screw is made of plastic, so if you use a drill or an electronic screwdriver, there's a high chance that you may strip the screw and you will need to buy a new one. They are not expensive, but it's just something to take note. And you just need to get this out now. Just carefully pry it out, and that's it. So as you can see here, this is your fan here, and it's not really exactly clean. So just get your air duster and just spray the dust off. Just carefully try not to get any more dust in than it should. So try and spray outwards if you can. And that's it. That's all for this filter side. Moving on to the filter itself. As you can see here, it's really easy to remove it. All you have to do is just take it out. And I'm gonna dust this off a bit. If you want, you can wash this, but make sure it's dry before you put in the replacement filter. So you get your replacement filter here. Just make sure this catch the filter itself and stretch it slightly such that the other side also catches. And that's it. We are done. Really easy way to make sure that your high voltage battery system works as it should. Remember, the air gets sucked in through here, and we want to make sure that as much air as possible can get in without any restrictions. So along the way, it's probably a good idea to dust off the fan itself, blower fan itself as well. I mean, I've already done it with the air can, but there's still a little bit of dust kicked in to the fans. Now my mileage isn't high enough that warrants taking out the entire fan and cleaning it by itself, but it's a good idea of preventive maintenance. So you take your vacuum with the this long nose attachment and a brush, and turn on your vacuum. Just stick it in around here and get your brush and just brush it off, just like so. Just brush it outwards and let the vacuum do the rest of the job. And rotate it around just randomly until you see that they are mostly clean. Just keep doing this until it's clean. You may want to take a light and shine it in just to make sure. And that's it. We are done. Clean as a whistle. So installation is the reverse. Just need to tap this in. Get your screw. Just put this in here, and then finally carefully screw this in. You don't want to over tighten. You also don't want to strip the screw. And that concludes this video. That's it. This is how to maintain your hybrid's battery intake fan system. It's really, as I said, it's really essential to get this cleaned up and maintained once in a while, probably once a year or so, because your passengers, they're gonna sit here and the air gets sucked in here and it's gonna get dirty really easily. So it's essential to do that. You want to ensure that as much clean air as possible goes in without getting obstructed. So if you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Become my valued Patreon, link is in the description. Stay tuned for future videos and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.